What's going on, YouTube? And shout out to all the Making Easy Money family members out there. Just giving it some time for everyone to get here in the live stream, guys. All right, guys, who's still holding MULN? I do see we did have a vote on that. If you did say you're still holding, let me know in the live stream chat. Now, MULN, guys, I did alert it over on the Discord here on the major buy alerts, guys, back on the 23rd for an entry of 70 cents. Take a brief look and check out today's PA. A lot of this buying pressure really did kick off on today's pre-market. We did see some actual profit taking on a large scale here in the pre-market, but that wasn't enough. Right away at the open, guys, we did see huge orders coming into MULN, which was a huge sign. If we take a brief look and check out this day chart, though, guys, this thing bottomed out on the 24th. Okay. That was the lowest. After I alerted it, it did come down even further in price to levels as low as 52 cents. I do believe that this thing is a great hold. Yo, GMF ready. Yes, sir. We are live. Thoroughbred. What's good, everybody? Just no bones. Guys, check out that man in the Discord. If you haven't already, check him out, guys. Do not sleep on Bones plays, guys. He done made me tons of money already. So, you know, IMPP hit my $2.70 price target. Yes, it did. Yes, sir. Let's check it out, Bones. We hit that 270 high on today's trade. Let's check it out. Today wasn't bad for IMPP. We did retrace, of course, but I mean, it's still holding up. It's a great chance this thing may just break that 270, Bones. We may be breaking that 270 again. What you think, bruh? Yo, Sean is in the building. Oh, that's K-Ron P. Yo, guys, GMF ready. It's K-Ron P in the Discord. Wrong ticker, huh? Oh, wrong ticker. What are we talking about? Yeah, it is wrong ticker. I'm tripping, bro. I'm tripping, bro. What was I thinking? What the heck was I thinking? But IMPP. No, IMMP looks as though, after looking at that chart, though, Bones, looks like it may be breaking that 270. But IMPP, you're right. You did hit that 270 on today's trade, coming at that high at 280. Yeah. Can you just say home run, guys? INDO. We're going to check out INDO here, too. Bones, you think we breaking that 345 here anytime soon in IMPP? And if so, let's hear a phone is steady freaking ringing. Let's hear a time span. You think if you think we can break that 340, Bones, can you give the family a time span? That's exactly what I said over in the Discord. In case anyone don't know anything about MULN, let me go to it. Major buy alert. Like I was telling you, the recent highlights and accomplishments, man, they're suited and booted, guys. They're ready to take off, and then the chart looked very appetizing on the downtrend for a company that is decorated like this, you do want to be a part of it. And we're waiting for that Q2 earnings here at MULN, man. I do think we're going to hear some great news. Now, IMPP does look good. We're up. We did retrace, though. But like I was telling you guys earlier, that turnover rate killed us on today's trade. 730%. We did retrace with some profit taking going on. But overall, still a good day. With oil prices still rising. Stocks like IMPP. CEI, let's check it out. I did hear a question today in the Discord today. Someone asked, do we think CEI will be reaching $1 again? Guys, I think we will be touching $1.25 here on the next pull up on CEI. Let me brighten the screen a little bit. SoFi, yeah, we'll check out SoFi here pretty soon. Let's check out. Let's see what MULN is doing right now. $590 million so far. Looks like we may be closing above $1.85 here in MULN. Volume is still at a nice flow. It's not letting up. Great sign. This thing is going to be interesting this aftermarket hours. I don't think volume will cool down here in the aftermarket hours for MULN, guys. Estimated borrow fee right now is even climbing even higher. It's now 14.95%. If you did catch earlier's video, it was around 3%, and now turnover rate is quite high though. If it wasn't for that turnover rate, guys, this thing could have easily closed above $2.20, no problem. Just says, think it can if it doesn't break 245 before close. We'll see pre-market. Scary turnover rate. Yeah, that turnover rate is scary. But hopefully some whales can actually change that. We see crude oil up 4.5%. Ironnet. Ironnet is what we call, this thing had huge profit taking, guys. Huge profit taking when we see it obvious on the large. So things 055. Stocks. Ironnet did take a huge turnover rate, 18.71%. Yesterday's trading coming in at 72. Ironnet may be falling even lower here in the aftermarket hours, guys. Hold on, let me check this out. Yeah, Ironnet may be falling under $4. We may see $4.48 here in the aftermarket hours, guys. Let me see. Yeah, we may be breaking that 450 here. Going sub 450 here in the aftermarket hours in Ironnet. But Ironnet overall, guys, we did see some huge profit taking on today's trade, obviously, but the market just did open down bad. We started to see a recovery, slight recovery, but Ironnet did take a fall. That was just huge profit taking. Nothing to panic about. I mean, if you look at the overall Ironnet run up, Well, it really depends on when you bought it. You bought this thing around $7.21. I mean, $7.12. Yeah, it's something to panic about, but that early seating is an easy seat, guys. Can't stress that enough. Got 25 thumbs up, guys. Don't forget, if you are watching and you forgot to leave a thumbs up on this video, please do so now. It does help the channel grow. And YouTube recommends our videos to new viewers, so that will be much appreciated to all you guys. Let's check out 6%. Check out Evbg. Yesterday's fall. Let me check out the 15-minute chart. 17% off of 22,000 share. 1518 off a million shares, and today's volume is 5.2. Evbg has a great chance to pass that 48.20 this week. 52-week high is that 168.87. Yeah, I feel as though that this thing may be breaking that 48.20 here by the end of this week. Right now, huge volume is surging towards the end of the close here. We gotta find the price letter. We're at the 70s now. Okay. Yeah, this thing may be closing above $40 here today, but like I said, man, 48.20 end of the week, easy. Looks like this thing will be closing over 40. Looking at the level 2 as well as the price ladder, obvious sign. Looking at the orders slowly climbing, being filled above 339.77. How many thumbs up, guys? We got 25 thumbs up on this video. Am I 32 thumbs up? Shout out to everyone that did just hit that thumbs up. It really does help, guys. Evbg looks good for the week. Let me check out the live chat really quickly. Yo, Just, you called this? Shout out T Truck. Any perspective on Nile? Oh shit. At the 15, man. Dang, that just took a huge dive. The 15, we did see a breakout right there. That's that stagnant trading. I be telling you guys. Volume slows down and we see that stagnant trading. Boom! It blows up like that, or sometimes it can crash. It's like we see here. Stagnant trading on the close on the 1-minute chart. Then boom, drop. We're seeing it again towards the close with 1 minute left. Aftermarket is going to be interesting here in NILE. But their actual holdings does have a huge effect. Let me go back to, well, aftermarket. Here we go. Since we are here, let's check it out. 44 thumbs up. Shout out to the Making Easy Money family. There we go. Breakout, guys. And there you go. Let's see if it lasts. It is a straight sign of this thing may. Let's see here. Keep your eyes on it, man. Anything else popping off, guys, while we're watching this on the screen? Yes, sir. At $30 support. Okay. Okay. We're waiting for. Not seeing any volume change right now. Check the order. Where we're at. $1.08, I believe. Okay. We'll come back to it, guys. Volume actually slowed down crazy here. Lucid earnings. Keep your eyes on it. Let's see. ULN's drop. I'm down 2.73%. Like I said, guys, no shortage in volume at all. This thing was going to continue to see huge trading. We got to sell at $1.86. Huge order. Sell order. Extreme amounts. We got one at $1.95, man, for sale too. 26,000 shares at $1.94, guys. Currently, right now, we're seeing a lot of buying going on here. Yeah. Let's see, guys. It's kind of early here in the aftermarket hours, but it's looking like it's holding up here. It's waiting the aftermarket hours, especially after seeing that sale here right towards the end of the close, and see that this thing didn't just see a huge drop by institutions here in the aftermarket hours. It's nice to see. Let's see let's check out BBIG. Earnings. Let's check out Ironnet. One minute chart. SEAC push. I'm looking at SEAC now. It did push fourth quarter of trade. Volume rush. That's when the volume came in. Beginning of the day, as you can see here, very spotty trading on this 1 minute chart. Volume picked up fourth quarter. Turnover rate was only 9.15. Nice. Estimated borrow fee did slightly go a little bit higher. We're sitting at 7.19%. SEAC, like I was telling you guys, we're just waiting for that trailer announcement to be actually finalized. If you look at this day chart, volume has been getting lower for us. Let's check out RETO. RETO is still holding up swell, if you ask me, guys. Still sitting above that $1.20. We did drop below that, coming as low as that $1.04, guys. But that was very brief, and we did see a turnaround drastically. But as you can see here, today's volume very, very low. Yesterday's slightly higher, but still low. Day before that, much higher than what we see here today. Volume getting lower, not too concerning when you have an estimated borrow fee at 71.01%. Shorts are likely to cover. I'd say they hop in a position today and it shoots up 10%. They're likely to cover on that day due to the fact that this thing is hard to borrow and they're paying a premium. So shorts will be in and out of this stock. So it does have a great chance to move off a slow volume. Shout out to BG, one of the early seat members on the channel. Zometica. Zometica had an okay day. It's really hard to actually bank on Zometica. Let's look at the 15-minute chart. Let's look at the 15-minute. Okay. Recent high was at 50 cents. Will it recover from that? We are setting higher lows here in Zometica overall from its bottom out at that 30-cent recent bottom out, should I say. It's looking good on the daily, well, 15-minute chart, but 3.54% on an estimated, on a high estimated borrow fee. It is slightly hard to borrow, but nothing too concerning. Turnover rate was nice and low. Order flow distribution does look good. If we look at the last large scale orders in the last 5 days, it's looking good on that note. Receiving more selling on the small scale lets us know retail investors does have a day trade interest in Zometica. How high will LMT or DWAC go? Let's check these out real quickly. Oops, not detached. Grid. Let's look at the day charts on these. Get these day charts. DWAC, like I said, man. Days in the past, months in the past, guys. Right after this big drop, even after we came up and came back down in price, guys, I still had confidence in this stock that it was going to continue to roll just off of retail investor interest, guys. Here, take a brief look. Key statistics is going to be to the right. Still, DWAC volume is low. Okay, it has been low. Last time we did see some nice volume in this thing was a day that we did see huge profit taking. We did receive 19 million shares on the day of February 22nd, but since then this thing did come down tremendously in price. But we're seeing more buying now and holding. Turnover rate 9.54% on today's trading. Looks good. I do believe that DWAC will be seeing those $180 levels. Like I was telling you guys, I do believe that this high will be broken here this year. Expect to see levels around $140 by summer with nice, strong support levels in DWAC. Shout out Nick. Nick said MULN killed it. Anytime, Nick. Anytime. Coming up, Guilty. That is coming up. I got you. And Blue. Blue don't miss a beat. Let's see here, guys. How many thumbs up we got going so far, guys? Let me check. $46 and currently 45 people are watching. Obviously, everyone had to leave a thumbs up. But LMT. Now, guys, last 2 days of trading for LMT has been beautiful. Volume, nice. Last 2 days above its average. 3 days above its average. Profit taking on the 23rd had to have a nice high turnover rate on that day. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart for this thing. 15-minute chart didn't break that 435 on today's trading, but it is likely that it may be broken here this aftermarket hours. If it can break that aftermarket hour, if it can break the pre-market high, this aftermarket, it is a great chance that this thing can see some more buying pressure here in tomorrow's trading. Seeing levels is close to closing 2% gain here is likely. 15-minute chart for DWAC looks good as well for these last 2 days of trading. Well, 3 days of trading. So I say last 3 days does look good, guys. We did see that huge profit taking that pre-market hours on the 22nd. But it held up throughout the trade today, held up solidly. We did see some more selling going on here in DWAC in the pre-market hours. Huge obvious sign institutions are doing that. But during the trading day, retail investors buy that dip, guys, and that is keeping DWAC up. Okay, so looking good on those notes. GFA, guys, do not sleep on Just, bro. Just is killing. Just is killing the day trades he calls. Grid. Let's go to the one grid. We hit that 69.25 today, what you call 70 cent. I mean, hey, that's pretty. I'll take it. I will take it. Turnover rate. Yeah, turnover rate killed us there. 42.15. 42.15 killed us. Institutions doesn't have a huge sway in this either. Short SI is still high. Look at the time to pass. This was reported back in December. Let's check out December's volume. Let's check out December's volume. 11 million in December. Okay, so of course SI is going to be up. It's more shares, more volume. So here in February, that's when February. We don't have any mid-February. Yeah, they shorted this thing even more February, I'm pretty sure. Second quarter of February report is going to be interesting. So they shorted more here second end of February. We may see hold on. Oh, 25th may have been the day that shorts covered. Obviously coming from that bottom. Could have been some easy money there, guys. Let's check out MULN. Still holding up. I consider that still holding up, guys. I consider that still holding up. Still up over 100% from the alert. Did retrace from the $1.95. Of course, we're going to see profit taken. Look at that turnover rate. Obvious, but tomorrow is another day. Estimated borrow fee 14.95%. It increased since this morning. Let's take a brief look at AMC, guys. I know no one wanted to look at AMC, but we'll take it out. We'll check it out. AMC broke that $17 quick. Bounced quick. Low volume throughout the pre-market hours. Trading day volume rush. Let's check out market correspondent with it. 1442. So yeah, AMC did follow market suit. Fourth quarter of the trading day. AMC is still in the market. Is still in the market's trend. See here the aftermarket hours. Let's see what's shaking here the aftermarket hours, guys. Zometica still rolling. Let's check them all out. FSTX. Range was only 5.68% here. Market hours. Volume wasn't too much of a difference. I want to see the huge volume difference here. 47, that's drop. Oh no. Zometica checks out. Zometica looks good right now. Let's see here. MKD just caught my attention. MKD just caught my attention. MKD freak. I think I may just found a major buy alert. Oh man. We're gonna talk about that in a later video, later today. Let me check it all out. And if it checks out, we may be getting a major buy alert, guys. We ain't gonna do too much looking right now. MULN offering. I don't see that. Yeah, I don't see anything about an offering. But it's still holding up. Tell you that. BBIG. Concern levels for BBIG is $2.23. My beloved NEO. Let's see what's going on here. Broke $20. Did anybody grab any shares of NEO under $19? Should I say? 1847 coming in a low on that trade today. Did anybody? I mean anybody grab any shares of NEO under $19? In fact, came as low as 1803, huh? Pre-market. Yes, it is moving here. Earnings. We're on 15. Very low volume. Picked up. And not too much volume here. It's not like a million shares rushed through this thing. Has a chance to keep running. Has a chance to at least pass that 2047 for sure. Let's go check it out. Yep, most definitely is going to pass that 2049. I mean 2049. Not clean enough on this really quick. Looks strong, just nice eye. Nice eye. Oh, slightly past it, 2050. Yeah, guys, but yeah, this thing may be seeing levels around $22 here. Check out what else blasting here in the aftermarket. Oh, DDD just hit number 1. Let's check out INDO retraced, of course. We see the obvious profit taking going on here. It's a tight battle on them large scale orders. 25th, we did see a nice gap. Today's trade not so much, but looking here, we do see where the large scale orders actually triggered. Some people call them short ladder attacks. If we take a brief look and check out 15-minute on this play here, solid day of trading. Held up, if you ask me, did hold up overall from the huge buying pressure that actually started yesterday. But as you can see here, pre-market hours, we did see some slight selling, but that was reversed. Fourth quarter, well, half of the day, things did slightly turn around for us. Slightly, okay, slightly, not too much, but I do believe that INDO, CEI, and other oil stocks and energy stocks will see another surge here very, very soon, guys. Very soon. They was just our first leg. Okay, the first surge was just the first leg. And we're gonna see another. Now, let me see here. It is taking off. We're at $20. Well, we just took a drop. Hit that $280. $22 easy. At $270 at $22 easy. $52 thumbs up. 52 thumbs up. Shout out to everyone that did leave a thumbs up on this video. Looks like we're about to crack $21 here. Shout out to you just for the great eye. Okay, he did point this out to us. And it was up like 10%. Estimated borrow fee right now, 20.3%. It is technically hard to borrow. Looking good, looking good, looking good. MULN. Let's take a brief look at MULN really quickly. It is down 9.47% here in the aftermarket. Hours. Did just hear some news about an offering. Profit taking going on. Here, let's see here on these minute charts. Huge profit taking. These are some fat candles. Fat volume, should I say. It is still huge volume here in the aftermarket hours. So here, start to see a little slight retracement. Well, to the upside. Now, and oh yeah, guys, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to our second YouTube channel. It is called Flight Financial. Here I give you great financial literacy, also great tips and alerts, guys. You will be able to you will see this video here, guys, where I give you my great charting tips. So you will be able to see the things that I see, also how to read the order flow distribution, and huge mistakes that first time investors tend to make. All right, and don't forget, check out this video if you do want to know the metals and mining stocks that I plan on going with, because we're going to see a metals and mining boom here, just like we did with gas, guys. Prepare your portfolio for war, okay? Just like the rich and wealthy. So with that being said, guys, I'm gonna cut the live stream here, and don't miss tonight's video. I am going to be posting major buy alert over on the Flight Financial channel, guys. So make sure you subscribe ASAP, and may the gains be with you.